I'm Kartini Kannan and you are watching Cooking with Kartini Kannan. If you want a spicy meal without all the fuss, I have just a dish for you. Today we are going to do my version of a mee siam, which is spicy fried mee hoon or rice vermicelli. In this recipe I have used egg, but if you are a total vegetarian or even a vegan, you can omit the egg altogether and replace it with crushed tofu or just omit the egg. For this easy recipe, come join me and I'll show you how to do mee siam. We need just a few ingredients to do mee siam. The ingredients will be a sambal paste, which consists of a bird's eye chili, red chili, onions and also dried chili. For added flavor, I'm adding tauchu, which is fermented bean paste. We have dried tofu here, onion leaves, carrot, bean sprouts and Chinese cabbage stalks. We also need 1 beaten egg and some tomato sauce to give it a sour tang. In a heated pan, I'm adding in some oil. Next, I'm going to add the chili paste. This has to fry for some time to get rid of its raw smell and also to get rid of some of the too hot chilies there. A sign that the sambal has cooked will also be when the oil breaks to the surface. To the sambal paste, I am also going to add tauchu, which is fermented bean paste. It will add a savoury flavour, and also you don't need to add salt later on because tauchu is already salty. So I'll give this a stir and let the sambal continue to cook for a little while longer. Now that the oil has broken to the surface, I'm also going to add in tomato sauce, which will give a sour tang. Tomato sauce will also contain some salt, so there is no reason for any salt in this recipe. Give this a stir. Now that the sambal paste has cooked with the other ingredients, I'm adding in the mee hoon. I'm adding in dried tofu puffs, carrot, as well as the Chinese cabbage stalks now to the noodles. And now we will give it a good mix to incorporate everything. I'm adding 1 beaten egg now to the noodles. Now we will fold it so that the egg will cook. Along with that, I'm adding in now some of the onion leaves and also the bean sprouts. My noodles are ready. As you can see, I'm plating it now. Hao liao wo! Our mee siam is done here. Spicy and delicious. This is a very simple dish to make at home. For more interesting recipes, including this delicious mee siam, do subscribe to my channel Cooking with Kartini Kannan. Click the subscribe link below and also press the bell button for alerts to my new videos. Bye!